So, pero, halimbawa, absent yung bata and we are going to put capital letter A there. There you go. Ayan. So, makikita niyo hindi niya binabago yung average kasi very basic. Yung formula, in-average lang niya kung ilan yung numbers or numerical na pwede niyang makompute. Hindi niya binabawas kung ilan yung absent ng bata. Dahil very basic letters po ito, hindi niya masasama doon sa computation. So, kung yung ibang bata ay perfect attendance, they will have the same average. Okay? So, mangyayari, parang lugi yung bata na perfect yung attendance, no? So, yan yung kailangan natin ma-solve. So, this time, ang gagawin natin, gagamit tayo ng other type of average formula. So, ang gagawin natin is equal sign followed by an average if. So, may condition siya. Okay? And then, we are going to have the range again. And B3 to F3 followed by the criteria, pero this time it should be inside the double quotation followed by lesser than and greater than 0 in close quotation and then close parentheses. But this time, yung average if, meron siyang additional na condition kung saan kailangan pag na-compute na yung average, ibabawas niya yung numbers of absences niya, or this time sa table natin kung ilang beses yung letter A lumabas doon sa attendance. So, this time followed by count if. So, bibilangin niya, may specific siyang bibilangin. So, again, ilalagay natin yung range which is B3 to F3 followed by double quotation. Now, yung criteria dapat, ang bibilangin niya ay yung capital letter A. Followed by closed quotation and then close parentheses and then enter. Okay? So, this time, ito yung bibilangin niya, yung tatlong 5 lang minus kung ilan yung 2 letters A, yung minus kung ilan yung absent ng bata. Okay? So, obviously, ito, ito-drag natin para makita natin yung difference. Ayan. So, ito ay 5 pa rin, pero nagbabago yan. Halimbawa, si student A, gawin natin perfect yung attendance niya. So, nakikita natin nag-work. But this time, in student B, on the 4th day, ay absent din siya. So, capital letter A. Ayan, nagbago. And then, dito si student C, halimbawa, meron siyang 2 absent. Ayan. Okay? So, if you're going to compute this, very basic. So, 5 times 5 or 5 plus 5 plus 5, yan, is equals to 25 divided by its number of frequency or yung items niya, yan ay 5. So, ganun din dito. Ito ay 20 pag in-add up. Okay. Divided by 4 kasi 4 yung 5 minus yung isang letter A. So, ganun din dito sa student C. So, meron tayong 15 total. We're going to divide that into 3. That's 5 minus yung 2 ng ating students. So, yan po yung ating formula.